How to copy a page in WordPress step-by-step guide. So in this short video, I'm going to explain you how you could easily copy and paste a WordPress page on your website. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I begin, I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So as you could see right now, currently I'm in my WordPress dashboard. I've installed this plugin called Duplicate Page. So to install the plugin, just click on Add New, paste over your duplicate page, and then just install the plugin. Once this is installed, go on Pages, and then all you have to do is duplicate this, and you have duplicated the page. That's it. And guys, if you would like to learn about how to drive traffic to your WordPress website, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.